React Native Mobile App Development Platform Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to our review of React Native, a mobile app development platform that's transforming how developers create apps. Links to the platform and additional resources are in the description below. Let's dive right in. React Native, developed by Facebook, is an open-source framework designed for building mobile apps using JavaScript and React. Its standout feature? The ability to write code once and deploy it across both iOS and Android platforms. This saves time, resources, and effort, making it an ideal choice for startups, mid-sized businesses, and enterprises looking to optimize development efficiency. One of React Native's greatest strengths is its near-native performance. By leveraging native components, it ensures a seamless user experience, rivaling apps built with fully native code. The hot reloading feature speeds up the development cycle, allowing developers to see code changes in real time without restarting the app. It's a productivity game changer. Another notable benefit is React Native's vast ecosystem and active community. The pre-built components, libraries, and third-party plugins significantly reduce the need to build everything from scratch. Additionally, the cross-platform approach doesn't sacrifice customization. Developers can still write platform-specific code where needed. React Native is perfect for developers familiar with JavaScript and React, but it's also beginner-friendly, offering detailed documentation and tutorials. The platform's flexibility suits a range of app types, from e-commerce and social networking to productivity tools and beyond. However, it's not without limitations. React Native may struggle with highly complex animations or apps requiring heavy computational tasks, but for most business-focused apps, it's more than sufficient. In summary, React Native is a powerful, flexible, and efficient solution for building mobile apps. Whether you're a developer looking to streamline your workflow or a business aiming to cut development costs, it's worth serious consideration. Be sure to check the links in the description for more information and resources to get started. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more expert reviews.